Hello everyone, welcome to VTech2. In this video, you're gonna see how you can enable live stream on YouTube. Recently, YouTube changed the customization option in that enabling live stream is little bit different. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step procedure how you can enable live stream option in YouTube. This process applies for desktop as well as mobile. Let's get into the PC and see how we can do this.
Log into a YouTube account and click on YouTube Studio. Now I am trying to live stream, but it says live stream isn't available right now. Enable. To enable this, go back to Studio and click on Settings. Click Channel and Feature Availability. In Feature Availability, you can see Verify Phone Number. This feature will give additional benefits like customizing thumbnail, video more than 15 minutes, and content ID claims. To click on Verify Phone Number, select your country and select a suitable option whether you need automated message or text message. Input a valid phone number and click on Submit. It will take few minutes to get the OTP. Input the OTP and click on Submit. It will take few seconds to verify. Once it get verified, you will get a verified tick mark saying congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Go back to the previous tab and close the eligibility tab. Now we will get a pop-up saying features enabled. To verify, go to the features tab and it will be in green color, enabled. Close the tab and click on live streaming. It will take 24 hours to activate a YouTube account for live streaming. Once it gets activated, you can do a live streaming. Another easiest way to go to features tab, open a browser and type www.youtube.com/features. It will directly take you to the features page.
Hope this step-by-step process helps you to enable live stream on YouTube. Please drop a like to this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in another informative video. Until then, stay safe.